Hi everybody, it's Cathy and welcome back to my channel. I'm on location today in my living room. It is snowing outside. It is really beginning to look like Christmas. And look at what came in today's mail. My white Willow subscription box. This is their limited edition box. It is a Canadian subscription box and we're gonna open it together. But before I get into that, I have a little bit of housekeeping and some channel information that I want to share with you. And if you're not interested in that, I will put a time stamp in the description box for when the unboxing begins. The first thing that I want to address is I recently created a Facebook page. And I don't know what is going on with it, but Facebook keeps taking it down and I'm getting very frustrated with them. They keep wanting me to send my picture in and I keep doing it, but it takes days for it to get verified. So I don't know what the issue is there, but I do have a page and I'm hoping that one of these days it will just stay up and that'll be the end of it. It's so irritating to me because little old me is just trying to make a Facebook page, but yet every day I'm bombarded by these creepy men on Instagram that, you know, constantly want to send you pictures or talk to you. And it's just so annoying. Like, why are they picking on me? Go get rid of the creepy trolls. And the other thing that I wanted to address was I'm not going to be sticking to my regular schedule of Sunday, Tuesday, and Fridays until the beginning of January because I am hosting Christmas and I have a lot of work to get done in the next 2 weeks. My daughter arrives home the end of this week and she will be home for about two and a half weeks, and I want to spend as much time with her as possible because I will not see her again once she goes back to university until the end of April. So if I feel like putting up a video over the holidays, I will, but if you don't see me, don't get alarmed. I just wanted to let you know that I'm really busy and I just want to take some time off and enjoy time with my family over the holidays. So now, let's open this baby together. So it came in a nondescript box, a cardboard box. And this lovely box was inside, and it is the White Willow limited edition, their holiday box. I have never opened, well, I've never bought a box from them before. This was, I believe, $99 Canadian, but you are guaranteed $200 worth of product. Now, I did not sign up for their quarterly subscription boxes because I did sign up for Simply Beautiful, which is a Canadian box, and which I shared an unboxing last week, and I have signed up to receive them for a whole year because I really thought it was worth the money. I'm not sure about this one, but I just wanted to get this box, get a feel for it, and then I'll decide what I'm gonna do. And I am expecting my Fun Fit Fab box, which I'm trying for the first time as well, and I believe that is on its way to me or it's being sent soon. I can't remember. I have so many boxes coming and going. The postman knows me by my first name now. It's kind of embarrassing. So it is sealed, and we'll just open it up, and I have no idea what to expect, so we're gonna be surprised together. Buddy is my audience. He's sitting over there in his chair. Oh, this is quite nice. It's lovely, actually. And the box says, unveil your surprise. Now let's unveil it together. Okay, it came with a nice holiday card. It says, Happy Holidays, limited edition 2018. Okay, and I'm not gonna peek, but I guess this is everything that's in the box. So I'll just put that here, and as we pull stuff out, we will get information. Princess eye patches in gold. So there's one pair of eye patches in here. So what do they say about this? It has a retail price of $5.50 Canadian or $4 US, and It's made from soft and delicate hydrogel material. It contains 24 karat gold that gives the gel a very luxurious gold color. So you stick them around your eyes, I guess, for 15 minutes, and then it leaves your eyes looking brighter and tighter. So that's interesting. What is this? This is from Fringe. I have not heard of that company, and the box says it is a glass tray. Must be a trinket tray of some sort. Oh, this is very pretty. And it says nothing but blue skies. It's just a trinket tray with some lovely little flowers painted on it. And that has a retail value of 28 Canadian or 22 US. So this lovely glass tray features watercolor flowers and leaves over a pale pink background. They can be used for many things as candle holder, a soap dish, or jewelry tray. You know, it's nice, but would I pay $28 for that tray? No. So let's keep digging in the box and see what else is in here. Oh, I've heard of this company, Rogers Chocolate. It's a nice little box of chocolates, so we'll enjoy that. And that has a retail value of 11 Canadian. I believe that because chocolate is very expensive here. So it includes cream minis, truffles, dark almond brittle. I don't like dark chocolate, so my daughter will eat that. But I'll definitely eat the milk butter caramel. That sounds good. So that's $11 Canadian or $8.50 US. And then we have another little box. This looks like it could be jewelry. Okay. I'm guessing this is a necklace. This is a necklace with a pearl and metal pendant by Caracol Jewelery, and it retails for 23 Canadian or 18 American. It's a simple necklace, 17-inch chain that can be adjusted, and it's gold or silver, and unfortunately I got the gold. I do not like gold jewelry, so that's probably going in a giveaway. Interesting box so far. And what is this? Oh, a candle. That is a very lovely tin. This will be so pretty sitting out on the counter. I don't know what that scent is. Let me read about it. Isn't that beautiful? It's very, very pretty. That's probably the thing that I'm happiest so far about. And it is an infused tin candle by For the Soul. It's a 12-ounce soy wax scented candle in a printed metal tin. What scent is it? Burning time 40 hours. Oh, it comes in 2 scents, and I got the Marrakesh Mint. And it has a retail price of 35 Canadian or 27 US. Would I pay 35 Canadian for a candle? Probably not, but it is nice and I will use it. And I don't know if there's just one more thing. No, there's 2 more things. This looks like a scarf or something. I'm guessing this is a scarf or a throw. I don't know. It's pretty big, whatever it is. I guess it must be a scarf. It is a large blanket scarf with a retail value of 43 Canadian or 33 American. Yeah. Okay. Guess this will be going in the giveaway pile, unless my daughter wants it. It's not my color and I don't like blanket scarves. And then I think this is the last thing. I have no idea how you pronounce this. Nayelle. I've never heard of this company. This I will use. It is a face oil with retinol. I've never heard of this company. Oh, it's an interesting concept. I like the packaging. It's like a pump you push down the top and must come out there. Let's just see what it's like. Oh, there is a scent to it. It's very watery. It's nice. I like this. So what does they say about this? It's a Glow Facial Oil by Nayelle. Natural probiotic skincare. It's organic, gluten-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and non-pore clogging. It's a feather-light oil formulated to deeply nourish, protect, and hydrate your skin with the 5 highest quality luxury oils: marula, rosehip, jojoba, meadow foam, morning seed oil. It stimulates collagen production, rebuilds your skin's natural moisture barrier, and it has a retail value of 69 Canadian or 52.50 US. So let me just make sure I opened everything. So we have the candle, the oil, the blanket scarf, the glass tray, the chocolates, the necklace, and the eye patch. So my first white Willow box, what are my thoughts? It's okay. I don't think I'll be signing up for the quarterly boxes. I didn't think that this would be my favorite box. I'm going to stick with the Simply Beautiful, which you saw me open last week, and I'll probably stick with the Fun Fit Fab, but I'll wait till I get it. I'm a little disappointed. I found this box to be a little underwhelming. Did I get my money's worth? Yes, but I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling underwhelmed with it, I guess. So I just wanted to share that unboxing with you, and as soon as my Fun Fit Fab box comes, and I also got an email, I think my winter Simply Beautiful box should be arriving hopefully towards the end of this week or the early part of next week. So I'm excited to see what's in that. All I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you would like to see more skincare, beauty, unboxings type videos, make sure that you are subscribed, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you want to talk to me over the holidays, you can always send me an email, or hopefully my Facebook page is up and running, but who knows. We can correspond that way. But I'll probably pop on once or twice over the holidays, but I'm just not gonna pressure myself and stick to that schedule because I have enough stress going on right now in my life. So I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.